There are many skills required to succeed in business. The number one skill in business to have is marketing. Why? Peter Drucker, a world-famous consultant, said it best. Marketing and innovation alone will make you money. Everything else is an expense. Why is marketing the number one skill to have? It is the engine that drives leads to your business. It creates qualified leads and compels them to take action. It positions you as the obvious choice. It elevates, separates, differentiates, and distinguishes you from all your competitors. It separates you from them, positions you as the expert, and answers the number one question every consumer is asking. Why should I do business with you? Marketing is the number one skill to have. The worst four-letter word in the English language is wait. Are you waiting to tune up your marketing machine? Are you waiting to tune up your marketing engine? Are you waiting to start your marketing engine? If you want to get marketing handled, take a marketing course. The details are below. Thank you. Now go mind your own business.